The dawn of a new era. Starship Flight 9 approaches. Humanity stands on the cusp of another giant leap. Soon, Starship Flight 9 will aim for the heavens. This is not merely another rocket launch. It represents a bold step in our species' journey to become multiplanetary. We watch, not just with curiosity, but with a shared hope for what this mission signifies. The stars are our destination, and Starship is a key to unlocking that future. The countdown has, in a cosmic sense, already begun for this pivotal moment in space exploration. The Colossus of the Cosmos. Understanding Starship's technology. Starship is a vehicle of unprecedented scale and ambition. When fully stacked, the Starship system, comprising the Super Heavy booster and the Starship spacecraft, towers over any rocket built before it. Its immense size is directly related to its purpose, to carry significant payloads and many people to distant destinations. This is not just about sending small probes, it is about establishing a human presence elsewhere. The sheer power required to lift such a colossal structure off Earth is staggering, a testament to the engineering challenges being tackled. At the heart of Starship's power are the Raptor engines. These are advanced, full-flow staged combustion engines. They burn a combination of liquid methane and liquid oxygen. This fuel choice is strategic. Methane can potentially be produced on Mars, a crucial factor for return journeys. The Super Heavy booster is equipped with over 30 Raptor engines, while the Starship upper stage uses several more. Their efficiency and thrust are critical to the vehicle's performance. The symphony of these engines firing in unison will be a sight and sound to behold, a raw display of controlled power. Reaching for new horizons, the ambitious goals of Flight 9. Starship Flight 9 has a clear set of primary objectives. While specific details are often refined close to launch, the overarching goal is typically to push the vehicle further than before. This might involve achieving a sustained orbital trajectory, demonstrating the controlled re-entry of the Starship upper stage, or even practicing the complex catch maneuver with the launch tower arms for the booster. Each flight aims to test critical systems under real-world conditions. The team will be closely monitoring every phase, from liftoff and stage separation to the intricate ballet of atmospheric descent and landing attempts. The significance of achieving these goals cannot be overstated. Every successful milestone validates the design and builds confidence in the system. If Flight 9, for example, successfully demonstrates a key aspect of its re-entry and landing profile, it moves us significantly closer to routine operations. These are not just technical achievements, they are markers on the path to making humanity a multiplanetary species. Section 4. Navigating the unknown. Potential challenges and ingenious solutions. Spaceflight is, well, an inherently difficult and dangerous endeavor. The development of a vehicle as complex and powerful as Starship is fraught with challenges. We are pushing the boundaries of known engineering and physics. The sheer number of components, the extreme forces, and the hostile environment of space all contribute to the risk. Each flight is a test, and with tests come the possibility of unforeseen issues. Acknowledging these challenges is the first step towards overcoming them. The team at SpaceX understands this well, embracing the hard work required. Specific challenges for Starship flights are numerous. The coordinated ignition and performance of over 30 Raptor engines on the Super Heavy booster must be flawless. The hot staging separation, where the Starship upper stage engines ignite while still attached to the booster, is a complex maneuver. Atmospheric re-entry presents extreme thermal and aerodynamic stresses. Then there is the audacious flip and land maneuver, where the massive Starship transitions from a horizontal descent to a vertical landing. Each of these phases has multiple potential failure points that must be meticulously addressed. Section 5. Whispers from the Gulf. Latest updates from Starbase. The Starbase facility in Boca Chica, Texas, is a hive of relentless activity. It is more than just a launch site. It is a futuristic shipyard for rockets. Day and night, teams of engineers and technicians work to build, test, and launch Starship prototypes. The air buzzes with the sounds of construction, welding, and the occasional roar of engine tests. This remote stretch of coastline has been transformed into a gateway to the stars. The pace of development is astonishing, with new structures and vehicle components appearing at a rapid rate, visible to dedicated observers and space enthusiasts. As of late May 2025, preparations for Starship Flight 9 are in full swing. The specific vehicles designated for this mission, Ship 31 and Booster 12, have recently undergone critical pre-flight checks. Section 6. Beyond the Horizon, the ripple effect of a successful Flight 9. If Starship Flight 9 successfully achieves its primary objectives, the immediate impact will be a significant boost to the program's momentum. For instance, a successful demonstration of a near-orbital trajectory and controlled atmospheric re-entry would pave the way for even more ambitious test profiles. This could include longer duration flights, tests of the payload deployment system, or even initial attempts at orbital refueling, a critical technology for deep space missions. Each success unlocks the next level of complexity and capability, accelerating the path towards an operational Starship. A successful Flight 9 would also send a powerful message to the wider world. It would bolster confidence among investors, partners, and the public in the viability of SpaceX's audacious goals. This increased confidence can translate into continued financial support, attract top engineering talent, and foster greater international collaboration. The Starship program is a massive undertaking, and demonstrating consistent progress is vital for maintaining the support needed to see it through to fruition. A spectacular success would undoubtedly energize everyone involved and inspire even greater efforts. Section 7. Our Future Among the Stars, the Enduring Quest. Starship is far more than just an advanced piece of aerospace hardware. It represents a tangible pathway towards a future where humanity is not confined to a single planet. It embodies the hope and ambition to extend our reach into the solar system. The development of Starship is driven by the understanding that our survival may depend on living beyond Earth. This vehicle is a tool for securing that future. This endeavor is part of a long tradition of human exploration. From the earliest hominids venturing out of Africa, to ancient mariners crossing vast oceans, to the Apollo astronauts setting foot on the moon, we have always been driven to explore the unknown. Starship Flight 9 is a modern manifestation of this impulse. It carries the legacy of all those who have pushed the boundaries before us. It is a continuation of that grand human adventure.